I used to have stupidity tags piling on top of my kitchen counter. Late fees, red letters, all that sort of stuff. It made me to feel angry like a shit basically. But then I built like a 5 to 10 minutes daily habit to make sure that I will never ever have to pay a stupidity tax anymore. And the best thing is, it's so simple and so easy that you can do it on the train back home, on the toilet, wherever you like. In my last video I show you why I banned my debit card and how I found my life number. Today I'm giving you the key, the secret sauce to the whole engine. In today's video I'm gonna show the whole system, how I'm using it on a daily basis to track my spendings, my subscriptions, all my bills, everything, how it shows me all the bills that come in next week, in next 2 weeks, all the email reminders it sends me, so I will never ever need to pay that stupidity tax again. I can finally go to bed, sleep in peace and quiet. So let's go into my computer. At the top you have a total balance, which is total balance of all the money you have on every single account. Because I have accounts in 2 different banks, I was always lazy to go and check how much I have here, how much I have there, and so on. That's why in here I'm adding all my accounts from all the banks, and that's how this total balance is appearing. Except going to 5 different applications, I log into one place and I see every single account. In here, as you can see, you have the recent transactions, and you can sort that out by different accounts as well. This section in here is one of my favorite sections. It says weekly bills and subscription overdue. So in here basically it shows you what bills are gonna come to your account next week and in next 2 weeks time. Then you have a monthly breakdown, so each month it's gonna be added, and each month gonna show you what's your income, what's your expenses, and in theory how much you are either on plus or on minus. So did you save something or you went over? Bills and reminders, this is one of the best section, and that's what I was needing when I used to be young and stupid and wasting my money for stupid stuff. You go to add bill, you name the bill, let's say phone, you put the amount, don't know, 20, you put the date that you're gonna be paying that phone bill on 5th of April. Choose from which account it's gonna go. So let's say it's gonna go from account number 1. And here, the best section, email reminder. You can opt in, you can opt out. This one is totally for free, but it makes my life so much easier. You can choose 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks before. On 2nd of April, I will receive an email. I'm gonna add the bill, and as well, look, because it's in 3 days or it's on 5th, the next payday is on 5th, between March of 30 and till 5th of March. So it automatically calculates you the week. Opa. We have phone due in 5 days, Netflix due in 9 days. It will show you as well the date, everything. But look what will happen in this section here. It shows me that in this week I need £20 on my account to pay my bills, and it's gonna tell me the name of the bill, the date it's gonna come, and from which account it's gonna come, and the amount. The next week, that's meaning 2 weeks from today, between 6 and 12, in this week I need £50. Subscription, which one in theory does work the same as bills, because in theory Netflix is a subscription, same as phone is a subscription. So whichever section you add, it's totally up to you. It works exactly the same because both of them, they get the notification. But check this one out. If I will add Spotify here, let's say £20, the payment is coming from the first one. We are on month. Again, let's put that on 4th. It's gonna be again 3 days. Add subscription. You can see that it automatically came here, because like phone and Netflix, they should really go to subscription. Here bills, I'm using only that for most stuff, like I'm paying, let's say yearly, let's say a council tax, or how you call it, or insurance for the car, or stuff like this. You know what I'm saying, yeah? This section is more for bills that you will be really paying like on a yearly basis. Subscriptions are for stuff that you're gonna pay really monthly. So you see, I add Spotify. All my subscriptions every single month cost me £20. Bah, 50. Gym, shows me automatically in here that this one is a subscription based bill, and automatically all my subscriptions. So that means that every bill that I'm paying on monthly basis, I need already £70 on my account. The next section is which one? If you sometimes we might unfortunately get a credit card or something like this. I had this section because I've been there and I never understood. And in my 20s, £1,000 I was paying for like 3 years. So imagine how much interest I gave to bank for free. So how this one work? You go to add plan, and if you have a credit card, so first we need to add the credit card. Let's say add account. This one gonna be credit card. Current balance, amount you own. You need to read that properly. Let's say your limit is 10,000, but you already use 5,000. We're gonna add it, and now when we're gonna come here, add plan, gonna go credit card tax, text, which one's supposed to be whatever. Yeah, let's say that was a car, new car. Amount to paid off, you see it automatically add you here. What's your interest rate? Let's say at the moment it's 0. Fair enough. How quickly you want to pay that? Let's say you want to pay that in 12 months, because first 12 months your interest is 0. Calculate payment. So to pay £5,000 within 12 months, you need to pay every month 416. And then you create the plan, and voila, you have new car, the credit card, the remaining balance 5,000, monthly payments, and next payment due. So you can pay, and now you have monthly payment, double payment, or pay it off, whichever you like. Let's say you want to pay only monthly. Yeah, the month one. Is then select from which account you want to take it. Let's say this one, and record payment. You see, it's a payment impact, new balance, record payment. You see, we have remaining. The next due date is in 51 days, because it automatically upgrade you to the next payment date, and you can see a little progress bar. You as well will see in here installment payments. That means that is automatically adding you, and it's been taken out from account number 4. But let's say your interest rate is, for sake of simplicity, 10%, but calculate. So for you, with the 10% of the interest, if you want to pay that off, that amount in 12 months, you need to pay at least that 403, and it works exactly the same with the loan and mortgage. Okay, let's take a mortgage for a new house. Payment account. Which payment account that's gonna come out from? The amount, I don't know. You borrow 100,000, let's say, I don't know. What's your interest rate? Don't know. 5? Let's put for simplicity 10. How long? You can see 360 months, that is years. So remember, the terms is in months. So I don't know, usually would be like what? 10, like 240 months. Yeah, let's say 20 years or something like this. Yeah. So next payment date, you select and calculate. So estimate monthly payment, you need to pay almost £1,000 every single month to pay 100k with 10% interest within 20 years. And it works exactly the same. You can see a new house, mortgage loan, 100,000, monthly payments, interest, next due date, the remaining months. You coming, you click on pay. Monthly double, or you paid it off. Amazing would be in it. But let's say you're paying monthly. Review the impact. It's gonna show you new balance, remaining months, monthly, month saved, interest saved, and so on. So it automatically add you that, make a payment, and you get a little tiny progress in here, and it comes as well straight away from the account. And you see it's already start upgrading the spending categories. You can see this month, which one is still the previous month really, but this month, last 3 months, look how much I'm spending, or the expenses or bills or whatever, how much I'm spending for my entertaining, how much I'm spending for my bills, how much in last 3 months I spent for my shopping, which one, let's call that as a clothes and so on. For example, how much I spend for my food, my travel, and so on. This dashboard, I'm coming every single day, I'm checking it, I'm looking at it. I can see all my transactions in one place. You get the point, you know? It's like you can see clearly, I can see where I'm wasting too much money. Maybe yes, I think looks like the entertainment category, yeah, I think it's get a bit too much. I should look into it, because maybe yes, I did spend a bit too much for the entertainment. And check this one out. That's how the reminder looks like. You're gonna get a reminder spend from us, bill reminder. Hi Chris, this is a friendly reminder about an upcoming bill. Electricity amount £50, due date 3rd of 12 2026, status due in 3 days. Yeah, and then you have option, click to open the, and voila, we are on our dashboard and we can check which bill is coming. Obviously that is a test one just to show you how it looks like, but that's how it is. And save me so much money, because I forgot a stupid bill, I forgot a stupid something. And the best thing is, whichever, even if I'm taking a free trial, I'm always coming and putting it here. Get the email reminder 1 week before. If you are happy, carry on. If not, cancel it. If you are happy with that, I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can try it yourself. It's free. Email reminder, it's free. But believe me, since I started using it, I wish to have that in my 20s so I wouldn't waste so much money. So now you've seen the system, you've seen how to use it, how it can change your life, because believe me, it done that to me. But then you may get a next question that might start popping up in your mind. It will be, how much money is actually going out of my account without me even noticing that? That's why in my next video I'm gonna show you 5 hidden leaks that I found in my personal banking and the stuff I stopped buying so I could finally save my very first £100 at the end of the month. So click here to see the kill list so you can start plugging those holes.